Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO. It's a car that perfectly blends raw performance with track-focused design while still being road legal. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or just love beautifully engineered machines, this is a car that commands attention. Let's dive deep into what makes the Huracan STO a masterpiece in the world of supercars. Right. The Huracan STO stands for Super Trofeo Omologata, which essentially means it's inspired by Lamborghini's motorsport heritage and brought to the streets. The first thing you notice is its bold design. The 2025 model takes the aerodynamics to a whole new level, with enhanced airflow systems, an adjustable rear wing and a prominent front splitter. Every single curve and edge on this car is functional, designed to maximize downforce and minimize drag. This year's Huracan STO is constructed using lightweight materials, with over 75% of its body made of carbon fiber. Lamborghini claims a weight reduction of 50 kg compared to the previous model, bringing the total weight to just over 1350 kg. It's astonishingly light, especially considering the immense power it delivers. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. Under this rear hood lies a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine delivering a staggering 640 horsepower and 417 lp-ft of torque. The 2025 version boasts improved engine tuning, which allows it to hit 0 to 60 mph in just 3 seconds flat. And of course, it comes with Lamborghini's signature exhaust note, a symphony of pure adrenaline. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's as focused as the exterior. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, keeping things lightweight but luxurious. The racing seats are bolstered for maximum support, while the configurable digital cockpit gives you all the information you need for both track and road. The steering wheel now features customizable drive mode selectors, allowing you to switch effortlessly between STO Trofeo and Piozza, each tailored for specific conditions. Driving the Huracan STO is an experience like no other. The recalibrated rear-wheel drive system makes this car feel alive in every corner. Lamborghini's engineers have fine-tuned the suspension to offer a balance between sharp handling on the track and surprising comfort on the road. The steering is incredibly responsive, giving you a direct connection to the road. And thanks to the new carbon ceramic brakes, stopping power is nothing short of phenomenal, even at high speeds. Another standout feature of the 2025 Huracan STO is its aerodynamics. The advanced air intakes and redesigned rear diff ensure that the car stays planted at all times. Lamborghini's ALA, Aerodynamica Lamborghini Attiva system, actively manages airflow to optimize performance, giving you the confidence to push this car to its limits. But what truly sets the Huracan STO apart is the way it makes you feel. It's not just about the numbers or the specs. This car has soul. From the way it roars to life to the way it grips the road, it's a visceral experience that few cars can match. Lamborghini has created a machine that's equally at home on the racetrack as it is on a winding mountain road. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan STO. This is a car that celebrates performance, design, and passion. It's a reminder of why we love cars in the first place. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Huracan STO. Is it the ultimate supercar for 2025? Don't forget to like, share and follow Instagram for the details at Huracan and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.